Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire SAC1 automatic wire stripper for Coax, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The SAC1 properly prepares RG6 and RG6 quad cables when installing BNC, RCA, and F-type connectors. Operation is quick and easy. First, strip 1/4 inch off the end of the cable by placing the cable over the small stripping hole and squeezing the handles. Next, remove 1/4 inch of the outer jacket by placing the cable into the larger stripping hole and squeezing the handles. Now, fold the braiding over the outer jacket and install the connector. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.